Whoa.
You got it.
Hey, cookie for breakfast, girl. Is your brain all hopped up on Oreos? Mm. Is that your cook? Bye, Mom. Where you going?
Bye.
Oh, it's stuck. Leave me alone, Balloon.
No dog. No dog here. I don't own a dog.
No dog?
Oh, what's up?
No dog? I got to be a guy with no dog?
That's right.
Why don't I have a dog?
Because I don't want a dog, okay?
Are you recording this movie too?
Take care of the dog.
Then you got some cupcake on your butt.
I got to buy jet.
On your leg.
You know how to grow up to buy jet.
Look how skinny you are. You must be getting taller because you're getting skinny.
Your image consultant.
Okay, I lied. No cupcake, bud.
Where's the deck of cards?
I don't know, but you need to get over here and give me some hugs.